Hello everyone, Dr. Adeel-ur-Rehman here, and welcome to Neurosurgery and Beyond. Today we are exploring something a little how combining coffee and green tea can boost your energy, health, and even mental focus. Join me as we dive into the perfect fusion of two of the world's favorite beverages. So let's look at the science behind these two drinks. Coffee, rich in antioxidants like chlorogenic acid that boosts your metabolism, sharpens focus, and may even reduce the risk of Parkinson's disease. Green tea, on the other hand, is powerful house of epigallocatechin, which supports heart health, enhance fat loss, and help keep your brain sharp. When you combine them, coffee's caffeine gives you that immediate energy boost, while green tea L-theanine keeps your heart strong and alert without crash. It's perfect blend for steady focus and mental clarity. So it's a perfect blend for steady focus and mental clarity. But when you blend the two, magic happens. Coffee gives you that immediate jolt, while green tea's L-theanine smooths out the caffeine's buzz, leaving you alert without jitters. It is a perfect balance of calm and energy. Green tea and coffee is beneficial for skin health due to its high content of polyphenols, particularly catechins like epigallocatechins. These compounds have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging properties. Studies suggest green tea can protect against UV damage, ultraviolet, reduce acne, and improve skin elasticity by promoting collagen production and reducing oxidative stress. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory effects help smooth skin conditions like eczema. So, now let's talk about taste. Picture the robust flavors of coffee meeting the refreshing smoothness of green tea. It's a unique sensory experience, one that energizes and refreshes all at once. And trust me, it's not just about the taste, it's about the feeling, that balanced boost. Now, how to make it? Making this blend at home is super simple. Here is how. First, brew your favorite coffee and then steep some high quality green tea. Combine them in equal parts or adjust to your taste. You can even add honey or milk for an extra twist. And voila, you got yourself the ultimate energy boosting and brain fueling drink. This is perfect if you need sustained energy throughout your day. And whether you are working long hours, studying, or just need an extra mental boost. As a neurosurgeon, I can tell you that maintaining peak cognitive performance is key in my profession. Coffee stimulates your brain, giving you the instant alertness, but it's the L-theanine in the green tea that modulates this effect, providing focus without usual caffeine-induced crash. This blend is perfect not just for professionals like me, but for anyone looking to optimize brain health and daily performance, focus, energy, and brain health in every sip. But beyond the health benefits, this combination is also about culture. Coffee represents fast-paced energy of the West, while green tea symbolizes the tranquil mindfulness of East. Together, they create a fusion that's not just innovative but represents the best of the world. And the creativity doesn't stop there. Cafes around the world are now experimenting with coffee green tea lattes, ice blends, and even coffee tea desserts. It's growing trend, and trust me, you will want to try it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Neurosurgery and Beyond for more insights into the brain health. wellness, and unique lifestyle hacks. I will love to hear your thoughts in comments. Have you tried this blend yet? Or maybe you have got your own creative drink idea. Until next time, stay energized, stay focused, and keep pushing the boundaries of wellness. See you in the next video.